Welcome. In this video, we're diving into a new update on LinkedIn that allows you to view your connections' other messages on your PC. If you're looking to keep track of your networking conversations more effectively, follow these simple steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. This is the starting point for accessing all the features LinkedIn offers. Once you're logged in, look at the top menu of the page. You'll see several icons there. Click on the messaging icon, which resembles an envelope. This will take you to your messaging page where you can manage all your conversations. Now that you're on the messaging page, look for the message section. Here, you'll find different categories of messages. Click on the other section. This is where LinkedIn stores messages that don't fit into your main inbox or are from people who aren't directly connected to you. After you've selected Other, you'll see a list of messages that have been categorized here. To narrow it down even further, click on My Connections. This will filter the messages to show only those from your direct connections, making it easier to keep track of important conversations. With these steps, you can efficiently view and manage your connections' other messages on LinkedIn. This feature is particularly useful for staying organized and ensuring you don't miss any important communications from your network. Remember, maintaining connections is key in professional networking, and utilizing LinkedIn's messaging features can help you stay engaged with your contacts. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your LinkedIn experience.